बस आर्किटेक्चर ही वाले BIM को यूटिलाइज कर सकते हैं। इज इट ट्रू? वो प्लान भला क्या प्लान हुआ, वो प्लान भला क्या प्लान हुआ जो कभी आर्किटेक्ट से इंजीनियर तक पास ही ना। नाउ द सेकंड मोस्ट कॉमन मिथ अबाउट BIM इज कि BIM इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड जस्ट टू आर्किटेक्ट्स। 11 साल पहले आर्किटेक्ट्स फाउंड अ वे टू रिप्रेजेंट देयर ड्राइंग्स इन अ वर्चुअल रियलिटी और इन अ वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड। Soon after, the engineers followed and they figure out a way to virtually represent the entire scaling and mapping of an AEC project on virtual platforms with the help of different softwares. And this makes BIM for the entire AEC industry and not just the architects. Now, the third most commonly heard myth about BIM is that it is just for the new buildings. Is it? No, it is not. As explained earlier, BIM is for the entire AEC industry. Anything that is a part of the old AEC world or the old AEC era and the new AEC era can be constructed, reconstructed, demolished with the help of BIM. With the help of technologies such as laser penetration system, we can reconstruct the models of those structures which are lost in the ages. It tremendously helps us in saving the time as well as cost of the production while retaining the original aesthetics and the original mapping of any AEC site.